Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on OnePlus Ace 5 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device, so press power button and volume up button at the same time to open power menu, and now you have to choose power off option. And now once your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time. And once OnePlus logo pops up on your screen, you can let go of power button. And you have to now select your language with volume buttons and then press power button to select. And you are now in recovery mode, and you have to select format data. And now you have to enter verification code. And then click format. Now click OK. And as you can see, my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.